everyone, it's me, Mrs. Z again, here with another Computer 2 assignment. Today we are going to be working on Word assignment number 9. I'm creating a Chiefs roster. So your assignment is to create this table. You know that I love the Chiefs, and so you're going to create the Chiefs offense roster in this assignment. Some skills that we're going to be working on are sorting within a table and changing text direction. So here we go. Alright, I've already gone ahead and opened up a new file and saved it with my last name, W9 Chiefs Offense Roster. So we are ready to proceed. First thing we need to do is change some margins to 0.5 all the way around. So I'm going to go to my layout and change those margins to narrow. The next thing I need to do is make sure that my line spacing is correct. So under my Home tab, here under my spacing options, I want to remove the space after paragraph and set my line spacing to 1. And next we want to insert a table with 26 rows and 5 columns. So under our Insert tab, Table, we can't do that from right here, but we can go to Insert Table, and we need 5 columns and 26 rows. So we can just type that in there and hit OK. The next thing we're going to do is type the information that we have below in the directions. Now that I've got everything typed out, I'm going to flip the page over, and on number 7, our directions ask us to use the Table Tools Layout tab. So that's the Table Tools Layout tab right here. And we are going to sort this information by the number column over here. What we're going to do is select the whole table and come up to our layout tools and sort. Right here you can see we've got columns here. We want to make sure that we've got a header row selected. So we need to make sure that that's clicked, and we're going to sort by number. And we want ascending, so we wanted to go from small to big, right? So you can sort by anything. We could have sorted by any number of things in those columns. We're sorting by number, and we click OK. And now you can see that everything is sorted by the numbers over here. We don't have to go through and cut and paste or do anything crazy. The next thing it says is to merge the cells in column 1. So here's my column. I'm going to select all of the cells that are there. I'm going to go to my layout tab right here where it says merge cells. I'm going to click merge cells. So now there's a one big cell. Next it wants us to change the direction of our text. So that is over here under text direction, and we're going to change it, click that a couple of times so that our text is going this way. Next we need to change the alignment to center. So under the Table Tools, this alignment right here, we want it right here. We want align center. Then number 10, we're going to make some formatting changes to that. We're going to change the font size. So under our Home tab, we're going to change the font size to 24. We're going to change the background color. That's our shading, sorry. Our shading to red. And then we are going to change the font color of the text in column 1 to white. So we're going to go here to our text color, change that to white and bold. Change the background color of row 1 to gray. So that is that's row 1. We're going to shade that gray. And change the font color of the text in row 1 to red and bold. So we're going to change that to red and bold. Oh, that gray. There, that looks good. When you go to insert a picture, because that's what it's asking us to do next, make sure that you're not clicked in your table. Make sure you clicked out of your table and we're going to insert an online picture, and we're going to type in Chiefs logo or Kansas City Chiefs. I like this logo right here. I'm going to insert that logo. When I do, remember that you've got to change those options. So I'm going to say in front of text, and I want to move it on the page. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to make it bigger so that it fills up my page a little bit more. And so I've got that picture down there at the bottom. We're going to add a header with your name and hour right aligned. That's the next thing we need to do. So we're going to insert a header with our name right aligned. Select those, come back up here, and proofread everything. Make sure it looks good, and save it again. Oops, need to move that. Save that again, and turn it into Google Classroom. If you have questions, please let me know. Have fun looking at that Chiefs offensive line. We'll see you next time. Happy typing. Bye.